We're at the National Research Council with the Science Fair Hack that's being hosted by the NRC and the Global Young Academy. 100 of the 200 Global Young Academy members are here today at today's hack. The GYA is made up of world-leading scientists who are likely to be leaders in the next 5-10 years.
My name is Bettina Speckmann. I live in the Netherlands. I'm a computer scientist.
I'm Andrew Pelling. I'm a biohacker and I'm from Canada.
আমার নাম শামসুন্নাহার খান, আমি বাংলাদেশ থেকে এসেছি। আমার প্রফেশন হচ্ছে শিক্ষকতা ইউনিভার্সিটি বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় লেভেলসে।
My name is Eva Alisic and I am from Australia and I'm a psychologist.
日本語で、はい。私は日本の岡山大学から来た加納光信ですけれども、私の専門は医学です。
So my name is Fiorenzo Vetrone. I'm a professor of nanobiotechnology at INRS EMT of the University of Quebec.
I'm an endurance junkie. I like to run marathons and triathlons and that sort of thing.
I have 3 children, so that keeps me pretty busy. But other than that, I play soccer. Used to be a competitive level, now not so much.
Inspired by my mother. She's a medical doctor, so she brought me in science. But my father is from literature, so he's running an NGO, non-governmental organization. He's executive director. He gave me the philosophical and aesthetic views of life. So both combined me to be this position.
In terms of the research, my motivation would have been the patients who I see. Especially those who are dying from the diseases. I wanted to know why they are dying and also why we cannot treat them properly. So I think that's motivation.
My family, my wife and my 3 kids.
We're interested in creating living objects that don't naturally exist in nature.
So my expertise in the drug development and designing. So I'm expert in the drug development designing from the respects of biochemistry as well as molecular biology and cellular biology, which is in the context of the structural biology too.
I study how children and families recover from traumatic events like a disaster or a car crash or the loss of a loved one.
Driven, moxie, and creative.
Dedicated, creative, and a bit crazy.
Talented, motivated, active.
In 10 years, I hope we're adding new functions to the human body.
So I think in the next 10 years we will be in the front line of pharmaceuticals manufacturing and its distribution all over the world. So we are going towards the proper direction.
I hope my field doesn't actually exist in 100 years. I hope we've discovered new things and it's moved so far beyond what we know today that it'll be hard to recognize what we do now.
That's impossible to say, actually. I mean, computer science has moved so fast in the last 20 years. I mean, just the invention of the smartphone, right? I mean, we're running around with these things now. This was science fiction 15 years ago. So what we do is always inspired by and also limited by the technology that's available. And technology is moving so fast. I really couldn't tell you what's going to be possible. I can speculate wildly, but when we're going to go where the technology lets us go, could be far.
So late one evening as a graduate student doing experiments in the lab, I put a sample in front of a laser, not expecting it to glow, essentially, and it did. And that started a whole new field of scientific research and nanotechnology.
So one of the very cool recent things that I've done actually through the GYA is I've been to South Africa for 2 months. And before the GYA, I didn't know anyone from South Africa. And now I spent 2 months to help set up a leadership program for young scientists in the country. And that was an amazing experience. Apart from going to the Kruger Park, it was just wonderful to get to know a new country, to learn about its history, and to work very closely with a biologist who is absolutely not in my field on a project that we are both passionate about.